Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got the DJI Neo. You can see it's kind of struggling into this wind. It's a little rough today, but the purpose of this video is explaining my thinking behind getting this 94 Honda 250 XRL. You can kind of see the Neo there really struggling. It's like 50-mile-an-hour winds this morning. Let's see what's going to happen with it. Yeah, I had the money to put down on a new bike, but I decided to go with taking a chance on the old one after watching a couple of videos. I'm going to compare this to the Honda CRF 250 and the 300, because that's kind of what this was before, back in the 90s. The XR was a very decent bike back in the day. I believe it was one of their rally bikes, but anyway, to the point why I got this. Horsepower is the same, blah blah blah. It's not fuel injected, it's carbureted. It does have valve inspection ports on the head for all 4 valves. The kickstart is a lot easier than I thought. I was scared about that. Don't be 100%. I got bad legs, and it's just super easy. The other thing is the Showa adjustable suspension, front and rear. The suspension on this bike is very decent. I can hit potholes here at 30 miles an hour and not bottom out on this. So the suspension is better than a new CRF, and the power and that's all about the same. Clark 4-gallon tank. Wow, it's really struggling there. You can see the Clark 4.2-gallon tank is the perfect mod. It's gonna let me do 150-200 miles worth of range. And yeah, just some of the reasons that you might want to spend the money on an older XR 250L. You could get the R version. The R version comes with the oil cooler. The L model does not. That oil cooler would be a nice mod on here. I do stop and let the bike take breaks. I take breaks, so it's working out perfect. Let's test out a couple quick mods before let's see what we're battery at. We're at
direction track. Follow Dronie. 4 meters. Dronie. 3, 2, 1.
Let's see what Dronie does. Cool. And then we'll try
circle. 2 meters. Circle. 3, 2.
trying the new toy, DJI Neo. Cool little backdrop, I think. It's a new drone. It just so happens that the weather is pretty shit. So put your hand out. Catches it. It is awfully windy today.
Rocket.
Rocket's supposed to go out and away from you.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first. 4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
There we go, rocket mode. DJI Neo. It's freaking up there. So I just go straight up. Always on call. rocket mode, battery, good. But cool little gizmo. Then we're gonna go here, and I gotta start. Hold it for 3 seconds. Nope, that's not gonna do it. Yep. Oh no.